Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Before attempting any action, confirm you are the registered owner and have photo ID and the vehicle VIN available for verification. Do not attempt to bypass the immobilizer or electronic security systems under any circumstances. Those actions can be illegal and dangerous. If you cannot prove ownership or you suspect the vehicle was tampered with, contact local law enforcement or your RAM dealer. Protecting the vehicle's electronic security preserves warranty and prevents theft, so always prefer official or professional channels over improvised workarounds. Begin with legal, low-risk alternatives. Replace the key fob battery with the correct coin cell battery size to restore normal function and test the fob range. If that fails, contact a licensed automotive locksmith or your RAM dealership. They can verify ownership and supply or reprogram a replacement key fob. Check whether your vehicle is enrolled in the manufacturer app or a roadside assistance program that can remotely unlock or start the truck for verified owners. These options protect electronics and keep you compliant with the law. Prepare documentation and resources before contacting professionals. Gather the vehicle title, current registration, and government photo ID to prove ownership when the dealer or locksmith arrives. Verify the truck battery has sufficient voltage. A low or dead vehicle battery can prevent electronic diagnosis, so charge or jump-start the battery if safe to do so. If you are stranded, arrange a tow to a dealership or certified service center rather than attempting forced entry or improvised hot wiring. Towing preserves the vehicle and avoids legal risks and further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.